hiccups video. This is Johannes and his hiccups. Hiccups, honey? Nobody likes the hiccups. But you did take a big poop, so that's got to count for something. Probably why you're not being really fussy, right? Yeah. Is that why you're not being fussy? Did you take a big poop? Do you like having the hiccups? I used to have them in my belly all the time. Yeah. I used to give you pats. I used to pat your bum in my belly. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? What? Damn these hiccups. Leave my baby alone. Leave my baby alone. Right? Right, Peanut? Right, Peanut? Leave my baby alone. Nobody likes having the hiccups. I hate them too. Can you do a smile? Can you do a smile? Do a big smile.